Have you ever noticed this flashing red light on an aircraft? It may start flashing even before the engine starts. But what exactly is it? And what is it warning us about? This is the anti-collision beacon, commonly called the red beacon. Its purpose is to make the aircraft highly conspicuous to attract the attention of the other aircraft and the ground personnel. And remember, this is not the red navigation light on the left wing. The navigation light is steady. The beacon flashes. A flashing beacon is an important warning that the aircraft is active. The engine may be starting, the aircraft may be taxiing, or it may already be in the flight. For ground personnel, it is a clear warning to stay away from the dangerous area, such as the engines and propellers. The locations of the beacon depends on the aircraft design and the certification requirement. On many smaller aircraft, the beacon may be installed on or near the tail. Large transport aircraft commonly use fuselage mounted beacons, often one on the upper fuselage and another on the lower fuselage. This provides better visibility around the much larger aircraft. You may have heard the figure 5700 kilograms mentioned in the connections with aircraft regulations, but this should not be understood as a universal rule that every aircraft above this weight must have the beacon in one specific locations. The actual arrangement depends on the applicable regulation, certification requirements, and the aircraft. In normal operation, the beacon is switched on the before the engine start. This warns ground personnel that the aircraft is about to become operational and that the engines may soon be running. It generally remains on during operation and the flight. After landing, the beacon normally remains on while the engines are operating. After engine shutdown, it is switched off according to the aircraft's operating procedures and checklist. So the basic sequence is before engine start, it is on. During engine operation and the flight operation, it is on. And after engine shutdown, it is off. And don't confuse the red beacon with the bright white strobe lights. The red beacon provide a conspicuous warning associated with the aircraft operation, especially around the ground. The white strobes makes the aircraft highly visible, particularly during flight. Together, these light help improve the aircraft visibility and safety. So the next time you see a red light flashing on an aircraft, remember it is the anti-collision beacon. Its job is to make the aircraft conspicuous and warn others that aircraft is alive. On smaller aircraft, it may be located near the tail. On large transport aircraft, it is commonly mounted on the fuselage, sometimes between above and below. A small flashing light, but an important part on the aircraft safety. If you find this aviation explanation useful, subscribe for more simple and technical explanation of aircraft system and airport operations. See you in the next video.